Alright you guys, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I deep conditioned today. I used Uncle Funky's Daughter's Heal and Renew. This is a super hydrating deep conditioner, and I love it for the winter time because when it's winter my hair is more prone to getting drier and stuff, so I feel like you need to add all that moisture back in, which is why I love this deep conditioner for the winter. So I already applied that and I washed it out. I left it in overnight because yesterday, my hair was crazy. I've been pretty busy with work, so my hair was going through it, so which is why I decided to use this deep condition. And I have low porosity hair, so sometimes I just like to take my water bottle and just spritz the ends, because that part always gets dry. Alright, so next up I'm going with Good Hair. I love this stuff, you guys. It smells like cotton candy. I don't know. It just smells like candy in general. I don't know what kind of candy, but it smells so good. I like to go with more leave-in and just really focus on the ends. Because, you know, wintertime, these ends be. I'm also taking the back strands of my hair because these are where my tighter curls are and they need more moisture. And they're always the first ones to get super frizzy and whatnot. Alright, so next, and I'm going to go with Super Curl. I make sure to get a generous amount. Next I'm going with Curly Magic. I love this stuff, you guys. It is a super moisturizing gel. It doesn't leave your hair super crunchy or any of that nasty flaky feeling, which is why I love it. If you haven't tried this gel, I promise you, like, look up the reviews about it. Everybody's raving about this gel, and it's because there's a reason to it. I just like, you guys, this gel, this is like a staple product in all of my wash and goes. Like, I have to have this gel on deck. Especially for the winter time, baby, this has your hair looking good for a long time. And next I'm going to my little spray bottle. And I'm going back in with Curly Magic for the baby hairs. And I'm going to take my little brush. So after applying product, I'm going to let my hair air dry. Then I'm going to be back to show you guys the final result. Alright, so next I'm going to add this oil in my hair. This is called Shining Star. And my hair is pretty much dry for the most part. And I'm just gonna coat it and scratch. Alright you guys, this concludes the end of my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one and thank you for watching.